The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol VUSA, in 3 minutes. The S&P 500 is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 stock market and includes 500 of the largest US companies by market capitalization. There are in actual fact 507 companies on the S&P 500, and this is because there are companies on the S&P 500 that have different classes of stock under their legal entity name. The most famous example of this is Alphabet, who have Class A and C. Some of the companies on the S&P 500 are among the largest companies in the world. Examples of these include Apple, Alphabet, and Facebook. The largest industry represented on the S&P 500 is in fact the information technology sector, closely followed by the healthcare sector. Consumer discretionary, financials, and communication services make up the top 5 industries represented in the ETF. All 5 industries have double-digit market capitalization versus overall size of the S&P 500 ETF itself. The fund has an ongoing cost of 0.07%, meaning it is an extremely low-cost fund. This makes it attractive for investors who are looking to grow their wealth over the extremely longer term. According to the Vanguard's website, the risk portfolio of the VUSA ETF is a 5 out of 7. This risk score of 5 out of 7 balances the risky aspect of it being 100% stocks versus the more certain, longer term, high growth, high performing companies that have their inclusion in the S&P 500. The price of the S&P 500 today is at £53.55. And although past economic performance cannot be an indicator to determine future success, if you had invested $10,000 into the S&P 500 ETF VUSA in 2016, then your holdings would be worth $21,371 today. Based on the compounding interest rate of the S&P 500 over its 90 years since inception, you can expect to achieve an average of approximately 8 to 9% return per annum. If we also look at the performance of the ETF fund since approximately the 1980s, then those returns will be even greater, with the ETF fund achieving an average of 13.2% growth in this time period. I hear what you're saying, you like the sound of this ETF, low cost, high returns, fairly stable risk. Where can I buy it? The most popular place to buy this ETF is directly through the Vanguard website themselves. However, other brokerages, including Hargreaves Lansdown, Trading 212, and others. If you did enjoy that video, then please do make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my videos going forward. This is just the beginning of an ETF series, so please do stick around. We will be discussing all kinds of ETFs. But that is all from me today, and until the next one, I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Goodbye.